Activate is a peer-led support programme for young people between the ages of 18 and 24 who are not in education, training or employment. Peer support volunteers have come through the Activate project, and they then support these people to gain engagement, encouragement and hopefully motivation and skills and confidence to move forward in their life, basically.
We can be like living examples, if you will, then of what the project has achieved for other people. And they can do exactly the same as well, that it is opportunities for everybody out there. You just go look in the right places and work towards it.
I feel like I've progressed in my confidence. So it's actually made me feel more confident and my anxiety isn't as bad.
To be nominated, for me, it just helps us to feel that we are doing something good and that the young people are supported and have got someone that will give them a chance.
The name of the project is the Inspire Project, and we are committed to helping out young and vulnerable people from around the Ceredigion area, and we're determined to inspire them into giving them new skills and give them opportunities for further education or employment, depending on what it is they want to do with their lives.
We meet up like once a week all together, make different friends and that. I was like more to myself, and I'm like a snail. I've come out my shell, I've made more friends and socialised more.
I believe the one thing that it's imparted to all of us that have participated in the Inspire project is confidence. The ability to say, I've been through a 2-day sailing voyage. I've been able to push myself, appreciate what I've learnt about myself. So if I can do all that, what's stopping me from finding work for myself?